Hi everyone. Welcome back to Did You Know? Today, we're blasting off into space, because the universe is full of facts so wild they sound completely made up. Did you know there are more stars out there than grains of sand on every beach on Earth? Or that a teaspoon of a neutron star would weigh 6 billion tons? Or that there's a planet where it might rain diamonds? Space is the ultimate, did you know, topic, so buckle up, this is going to be a wild ride. Did you know that a single day on Venus is longer than an entire year on Venus? Venus takes 243 Earth days to spin once on its axis, but only 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. So Venus completes a full trip around the Sun before it even finishes one rotation. And it spins backwards compared to most other planets, so on Venus, the Sun would rise in the west and set in the east. It's basically the rebel of the solar system. And speaking of time being weird, a year on Mercury is only 88 Earth days. You'd have 4 birthdays every Earth year. Here's something mind-blowing. A neutron star is what's left after a massive star explodes. It's so incredibly dense that a single teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh about 6 billion tons on Earth. That's roughly the weight of every car in America combined, in one teaspoon. Neutron stars can spin hundreds of times per second and have magnetic fields trillions of times stronger than Earth's. And Saturn is the opposite, it's so light for its size that its average density is actually less than water. If you could find a bathtub big enough, Saturn would technically float. Did you know that space is effectively silent? Sound needs a medium like air or water to travel through, and in the vacuum of space there's almost nothing for sound waves to move through. So even if a star exploded right next to you, you wouldn't hear a thing. And here's something poetic, the footprints left on the moon by astronauts will last for millions of years. There's no wind, no rain, no weather at all on the moon to wear them away. Only the extremely slow impact of tiny space dust will eventually erase them over millions of years. Here's a fact that will make you feel very small. About 1 million Earths could fit inside the Sun. The Sun makes up 99.86% of all the mass in our entire solar system. Everything else, all the planets, moons, asteroids, comets, is just 0.14%. The International Space Station orbits Earth at about 17,500 miles per hour, circling the planet every 90 minutes. And there are more stars in the observable universe than grains of sand on every beach on Earth, somewhere around 10,000 billion stars. That number is so big it doesn't even feel real. So let's go over what we just learned. A day on Venus is longer than its entire year and it spins backwards. A teaspoon of neutron star weighs 6 billion tons while Saturn would float in water. Space is effectively silent and moon footprints will last millions of years. 1 million Earths could fit inside the Sun. And there are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on Earth. Space is truly the most mind-blowing place that exists. If you enjoyed this, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. See you next time.